3409, Limburg Tower, 270 at 9er, runway 27, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 27, cleared for takeoff, Skyway 3409.
3409, you're heading to beautiful Santa Rosa, California. Not wasting any time.
Skyway 3409, contact SoCal departure.
Departure, good day, Skyway 3409.
All right, off in the distance is the unmistakable 787-8 Japan Airlines heading to Tokyo, taxiing up to runway 27.
Alaska 577, ready at the end.
Alaska 577, Limburg Tower, 270 at 7, runway 27, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, 27, Alaska 577.
Alaska 577, you're heading to Portland in your Boeing 738.
Alaska 577, contact SoCal departure.
Alaska 577, switching, good day.
Japan Air 65 Heavy, Limburg Tower, 2507, runway 27, cleared for takeoff.
Japan Air 65 Heavy, cleared for takeoff, runway 27.
Lindbergh, hello, Southwest 5635 with you on the RNAV Zulu 27.
Southwest 5635, Limburg Tower, caution terminus departing heavy Dreamliner, 12508, runway 27, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 27, Southwest 5635.
Japan Air 787-8 on its way to Narita. I was supposed to be on that flight this September 30th. Japan does not want to let me in. Can't say I blame them.
Japan 65 Heavy, contact Soka departure.
Contact Soka departure, Japan 65 Heavy.
Line point 27, Horizon 2068.
Horizon 2068, wind 2605, runway 27, cleared for takeoff.
With 27, clear for takeoff, Horizon 2068.
2068 in Embraer, you're heading up to Sacramento.
Jet 503, Lindbergh Tower, runway 27, line up and wait.
Runway 27, line up and waiting, Jet 503.
Jet 503, wind 280 at 7, runway 27, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 27, clear for takeoff, exit Jet 503.
Exec jet, you're heading to beautiful Bakersfield, California.
Horizon 2068, contact Soka departure.
Departure is 2068, good day.
Southwest 726, Lindbergh Tower, wind 2604, runway 27, clear to land. Jet 503, contact Soka departure.
503, good day.
Sky 3413, Lindbergh Tower, runway 27, line up and wait.
27, I've been waiting, Sky 3413. Lindbergh Tower, dog 4, CLT 34, point level 500 feet.
Dog 4, Lindbergh Tower, traffic 2 miles ahead of you, same direction, company T34, altitude indicates 300.
Alright, dog 4, we have traffic inside.
Dog 4, maintain visual separation, clear through the Senegal Bravo airspace, off shutter below 500 feet, report Crystal Pier, altimeter 2996. Southwest 726, turn left at Bravo 8, contact ground.
Left Bravo 8, ground, good day, Southwest 726.
Dog 1, traffic 2 miles in trail of you, company, same direction, altitude indicates 300, have you on site, maintaining visual separation.
Dog 1.
Southwest 726, welcome from Las Vegas.
Sky 3413, wind 260 at 7, runway 27, cleared for takeoff.
27, clear for takeoff, Sky 3413.
Skywest 3413 in Embraer, you're heading to San Francisco. Have a nice flight.
Lindbergh Tower, dog 05, rounding point, well about 500 feet northbound, got the other two.
Sky 3413, contact Soka departure.
Good day, Sky 3413. Tower Unite 140627, ready to go. Yeah, 1406 Lindbergh Tower, traffic 11 mile final, runway 27, line up wait. Copy the traffic, 11 mile final, we'll run United 1406, line up and wait 27. Police 1, I do have an aircraft taking the runway now, will be straight out, reporting site. Police 1, Roger, we're going to turn our back here and take a look at them. Police 1, we got 1 more mile westbound. November Tower, November 300 Bravo Charlie, over, okay. 300 Bravo Charlie, Lindbergh Tower, runway 27, cleared to land, traffic departure for Rebel. 27, cleared to land, November 30 Bravo. Police 1, traffic site, maintain visual separation. Police 1, Roger, visual separation is approved. Police 1, Roger. United 1406 traffic heading to your left as the departure ends the helicopter. They have you in sight. Maintain a separation. They're low level. Runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 27, look for the traffic, United 1406.
United 1406 in the Star Wars livery. You're cleared for takeoff. Where are you heading? I believe San Francisco. Now, United 1406, you're heading to Chicago in your Boeing 738 Star Wars. Off you go for the Jedi transition.
1406, contact for departure. Good day.
Good day, United 1406.
Dog 5 leaving, correction, Dog 4 leaving, sending Bravo airspace, exchange routes.
Dog 4, switch.
Dog 05 leaving, correction, clear through the sending of Bravo airspace, off throttle below 500 feet, report Crystal Pier, altimeter 29906.
Tower, Dog 05, Crystal Pier.
Dog 05 leaving, sending Bravo airspace, exchange route.
Dog 05, switch take.
Southwest 1122, Limburg Tower, runway 27, line up and wait.
Runway 27, Southwest 1122.
Silverhawk 909, turn left at Bravo 7, contact ground.
Left Bravo 7, contact ground, Silverhawk 909. Silverhawk 909, clear of runway 27 at Bravo 5.
South 1122 and 2804, runway 27, cleared for takeoff.
Clear of runway 27, Southwest 1226. Silverhawk 909, clear of runway 27 at Bravo 7.
Silverhawk 909, you're up. Limburg Tower, ground is 123.9.
Southwest 1122, a Boeing 737. You're heading to the ATL, Atlanta, Georgia.
Ground, Silverhawk 909, clear of runway 27 at Bravo 7.
United 1429, Limburg Tower, runway 27, line up and wait.
Runway 27, line up wait, United 1429.
Silverhawk 909, you're still up. Limburg Tower, frequency 123.9 for ground. Dog 3, Limburg Tower, clear through the sending Bravo airspace, offshore out of below 500 feet, altimeter 2996, report Crystal Pier.
Dog 3, 2996, class of Bravo, welcome.
Southwest 1122, contact SoCal departure.
SoCal departure, 1122.
United 1429, wind 2605, runway 27, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 27, clear for takeoff, United 1429.
1429, you're a Boeing 739 MAX. Heading to Denver, Colorado.
Dog 2, Limburg Tower, maintain visual separation with company, clear through the sending Bravo airspace, altimeter 2996, maintain VFR at below 500 feet, and report Crystal Pier. 3, traffic 2 miles in trail view, company, same direction, Alpha indicates 300, they have you on site maintaining visual separation.
South 3. RNAV 27 information Tango.
1429, contact SoCo departure.
1429.
Okay, 900 X-ray Echo, or X-ray Golf, number tower, wind calm, runway 27, clear to land.
27, we're clear to land, X-ray Golf.
Southwest 583, Limburg Tower, wind calm, runway 27, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 27, cleared for takeoff, Southwest 583.
Top 3000, roger, and when you get the bases, I'd like that if you don't mind.
Okay.
Potential aircraft information, uniform current. Dog 2, leave you Santa Bravo airspace for change route.
Dog 2, Crystal Pier northbound and switching.
Hawker 0, X-ray Golf, traffic holding in position.
X-ray Golf.
Delta 1367, Limburg Tower, check 5 mile phone, runway 27, line wait.
Live blade 27, Delta 1367, copy the traffic.
Delta 1367, a Boeing 739. You're heading to Salt Lake City.
Delta 1367, wind 2506, runway 27, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 27, clear for takeoff, Delta 1367, we're rolling.
Southwest 583, contact SoCo departure.
Today, Southwest 583. And runway is in sight at about 3 miles and layers about 1,500 feet.
Roger, thank you. Delta 1367, contact SoCo departure.
Departure, Delta 1367, a great day.
Likewise. Southwest 2284, Limburg Tower, wind 290 at 6, runway 27, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 27, Southwest 2284.
2284, you're a Boeing 737 heading to Oakland, California. You're cleared for takeoff.
534, RNAV.
Agent 534, Limburg Tower, traffic departing prior to arrival, wind 2707, runway 27, clear to land.
Clear to land.
Call Limburg Tower, you're broken and unreadable if you're offshore north of Crystal Pier, gain altitude and remain outside the San Bravo airspace.
Bullet 5-1, approaching Crystal Pier in the climb, requesting transfer to your airspace 500 feet below.
Bullet 5-1, Limburg Tower, have you loud and clear now, traffic 2 miles south of you, same direction, helicopter altitude indicates 300.
Bullet 5-1, understand clear to your airspace report, Ocean Beach Pier.
Bullet 5-1, no, I did not give you a Bravo clearance, traffic 2 miles south of your position, southbound helicopter altitude indicates 200. Bullet 5-1, remain outside San correction, clear through the San Bravo airspace, off right below 500 feet, report Ocean Beach Pier, altimeter 2996. 51, you copy?
Negative, you were set off by guard.
Bullet 51, you're cleared through the Seneca Bravo airspace offshore below 500 feet. Report Ocean Beach Pier, altimeter 2996.
2996, clear through the Bravo airspace report, Ocean Beach Pier, Bullet 51, thank you.
Level 2284, contact SOCA departure.
284, I'll see it.
Lumber Tower, truck 5 mile, final runway 27, line up and wait.
27 line of void, southwest 1239.
Bullet 51, brief call traffic is just south of Ocean Beach Pier, southbound, altimeter indicates 300.
Bullet 51, still searching.
Police 1, Lumber Tower.
Please north about a mile and a half. Mission Baby over 800. Work the call pretty much. Right by the in the mission.
Allegiant 534.
Allegiant, welcome to town from Eugene, Oregon in your Airbus 320.
Police 1, Lumber Tower, cleared into Seneca Bravo airspace as requested. Denver, the altimeter 29996.
2996, and we're actually going on station here.
Police 1, copy on radar contact.
This one.
Southwest 1239, wind 2805 from 27, cleared for takeoff.
27 clear for takeoff, southwest 1239.
Bullet 51, traffic, previous call traffic is just ahead and to your left, altimeter indicates 400 feet. Leaving
Southwest 1239, a Boeing 738. You're heading to Las Vegas.
Bullet 51 switching, Wilco, thank you.
Contact SOCA departure.
Alright, sir, we're switching. Good day, Southwest 1239.
Good day.
Wait. 27, line up and wait, Southwest 656.
Level 2330, turn left at Bravo 8, contact Rome.
Bravo 8 ground, Southwest 2330.
2330, welcome from Sacramento.
Southwest 656, wind 2804, runway 27, cleared for takeoff.
27, clear for takeoff, Southwest 656.
Southwest 656, you're returning to Sacramento in your Boeing 738.
Alaska 1137, Lumber Tower, runway 27, line of flight.
27, line up on way, Alaska 1137.
Dog 1, if you're trying to contact the Island Tower, you're up Lindbergh Tower. Island is 135.1.
Sorry, Lindbergh Tower, point Loma, 500 feet northbound, it's Dog 1.
Dog 1, Lindbergh Tower, cleared through the Seneca Bravo airspace offshore right below 500 feet. Report Crystal Pier, altimeter 2996. Southwest 656, contact SOCA departure.
Departure today, Southwest 656.
1137, wind 2605, runway 27, cleared for takeoff.
Takeoff 27, Alaska, 1137.
1137, you're Boeing 739. You're heading to Seattle, Washington.
Alaska 1137, contact SoCo departure.
1137, we'll see you.
All right, that appears to be American 1939 and Airbus 321 heading to Dallas. Running a little bit early. They taxied out of the way.
San Diego Tower, Delta 1199, we're ready to go.
Delta 1199, Lindbergh Tower, roger, awaiting IFR release, be just a moment. Accident, I just got it. For Delta 1199, wind 3005, runway 27, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27, Delta 1199.
1199 and Airbus 321 heading to Minneapolis.
JetBlue 619, Lindbergh Tower, wind 2404, runway 27, clear to land.
Clear to land, JetBlue 619.
Delta 1199, contact SoCo departure.
Delta 1199, good day.
Good day. Dog 05, Lindbergh Tower, cleared through Santa Bravo airspace offshore, below 500 feet, report Crystal Pier, altimeter 2996.
9906, cleared into Bravo, Buffalo 600 feet. Tower top is 1478, RNAV, runway 27.
JetBlue 619, turn left Bravo 9er, contact ground.
Bravo 9, contact ground, JetBlue 619.
Dallas 1478, Lindbergh Tower, wind 2608, runway 27, clear to land.
Top is 1478.
All right, JetBlue. Welcome from Boston. You're running about 2 hours late in your Airbus 321.
United 2627, Lindbergh Tower, runway 27, line up and wait.
27, line up, wait, United 2627.
United 1478, turn left at Bravo 8, contact ground. Bravo 8 to ground, something 1478.
Southwest 1478, welcome from Chicago's Midway Field.
United 2627, wind 250 at minor, runway 27, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 27, United 2627.
United 2627, where are you going?
Lumber Tower, Dog 3, T34, VFR northbound 500, squawk 0163.
Dog 3, Limburg Tower, clear through the Seneca Bravo airspace, all strata below 500 feet, report Crystal Pier, altimeter 299.
All right, United 2627, Boeing 738, you're heading to Houston, Texas. Running about 45 minutes late.
United 2627, contact SoCal departure.
SoCal departure, United 2627.